Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
And mine is Andrew.
Right now we're in Minecraft Education Edition in the Hour of Code Escape Estate. So in the last video we completed this room and now we're gonna go through the portal.
Let's go. Say bye-bye. Oh, we can't even see it. Loading. Whee!
Where are we?
There's lots of material. It's like a factory.
Oh.
Searching for particles. Let's press this button.
Okay, let's see. Huh? Oh.
Well, look, there are patterns. Press C to code.
Let's see.
Okay. Pipes. You'll need to add a specific amount of blocks to each of the hoppers. Maybe there's something in the room that can tell you how many. Use the drop block function to drop the correct amount of colored block into pipes. You can use the drop block function and you can use the colors yellow, blue, orange, and magenta. So here, these are probably how many blocks we have to put in each hopper. So 2 for yellow, 4 for blue, 3 for magenta, and 2 for orange.
Okay.
And then these are the hoppers.
Okay, so let's see the code example first. Oh.
So now they're X because the code inserted the wrong amount.
Okay.
If you want to do this many times, you can also use the repeat loop to make it easier and faster.
So first we're just gonna have to drop 2 yellows, so there's already 1, so let's just do it again. Drop block yellow. Yellow. Okay, and then we have to do 4 blues, so we're gonna make a repeat loop.
Four times. And then drop block
Blue. Okay, let's see how many times for magenta. 3 and then 2 for orange. Okay, so let's go back to code. And so magenta 3. There's already 2 magentas. That's fine. Magenta.
Now we can change those magenta blocks of code to orange.
Okay, and let's run. 3, 4. Oh, the block beneath turns green when it's right. Puzzle solved.
Now we're just searching for more particles.
Ooh, what's this?
This is like a crane. It's on the wall. There's 1
1,
chicken, 3
3,
sheep, 5 cow, and 23 crowns.
And there's a weight.
So this probably measures the weight, and those are the weights of the items.
And probably that's our goal. Okay, let's see the code first.
Weight. You need the scale to reach a weight of exactly 23 pounds. Maybe there's a sign around here to tell me how much each mob weighs. Use the summon animals function to summon a combination of animals that add up to 23 pounds. So chicken's 1 pound, sheep is 3, and cow is 5. So the quickest way is to get 4 cows and then 1 sheep.
Or it could just be 23 chickens, but it's fine. So 4 cows and 1 sheep. So let's just delete the chickens and then 4 cows.
And do 4. And then summon
Animal cow.
and cow.
And then 1 sheep.
And then 1 sheep. So the 4 cows will equal to 20 pounds, and the sheep, oh, it's already sheep, will be the other 3 pounds.
Okay, let's see.
There's so many cows in the same spot. Now the weight is 23, so puzzle solved. They're all stuck in there because they're like border blocks.
Okay.
Now here's some plants. So what's that? It's
There's
creepers and zombies and skeletons.
Let's see.
They're on a mine cart.
And there's faces.
There's 3 zombies, 2 creepers, and 2 skeletons. And then there are these huge faces of them. And it looks like we had to put them in their correct
So
tunnels.
dumb.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go to code first.
Minecraft redirection. The mobs need to be stored into right passageways. Look at the mobs queued up to be sorted and sort them based on the order they're waiting. Use the sort mob function to set the order they should be solved. You can use zombie, skeleton, and creeper.
Let's see the code example.
Zombie. So get the first 4 carts into zombie, which is wrong already.
Their eyes.
It shows us border blocks as the nose.
Oh.
Okay, so first we have one skeleton and then one zombie.
And then skeleton again.
Also, you can also use the repeat loop.
Okay, so Wait. It was one skeleton.
One skeleton and then one zombie.
Okay, so we're just gonna delete these 2 zombies.
Or you can just change it.
Oh yeah, we could just change it. Skeleton, zombie, skeleton, and then what will we?
Zombie.
And then creeper,
2
creeper,
creepers.
zombie, zombie. Okay, so let's go back to code. Creeper, creeper, and then we just need to change this one to zombie.
Zombie.
Let's see.
Okay. So first skeleton,
Skeleton,
zombie, then skeleton, creeper,
creeper,
creeper, and then the last 2
zombie,
zombies.
zombie. Wow, you just go into their mouths.
Puzzle solved.
Solved.
Enter the next room.
Okay, so looks like we already solved this room. So much glass.
Wait, look to the side.
Huh? Oh, diary page.
Entry number 7, the laboratory. Dear diary, I made a most fascinating discovery today. A laboratory. It's complete with mysterious machinery and strange experiments, the likes of which I've never seen. Or have I? There's something very familiar about this place.
That's creepy.
That's a little sus.
Wow. Oh, there's an enchanting table over there. What if we jump?
No, you can't.
Aw, man. Look, it's purple stuff. This is a laboratory, but then why is there zombies and skeletons, and creepers?
They're doing experiments.
Oh, interesting. There's plants here. It's so interesting. Okay. And those are pipes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're probably pipes. So in the next video, we're gonna go through this portal and see what's on the other side.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye bye.